Practice safe sex. Use condoms or other forms of protection to prevent sexually transmitted infections, STIs, and unintended pregnancies. Regular checkups. Visit a healthcare professional for regular sexual health checkups, including screenings for STIs. Communication. Open and honest communication with your partners about sexual health, boundaries, and desires is essential. Consent. Always obtain clear and enthusiastic consent before engaging in sexual activities. Education. Educate yourself about sexual health, including anatomy, contraception, and STIs. Hygiene. Maintain good personal hygiene to prevent infections and discomfort. Healthy lifestyle. Eat a balanced diet, exercise regularly, and manage stress to support overall health, which can positively impact sexual health. Limit alcohol and drug use. Excessive alcohol and drug use can impair judgment and lead to risky sexual behavior. Mental health. Take care of your mental health as it can influence your sexual well-being. Seek professional help if needed. Seek professional advice. If you have concerns about your sexual health or experience discomfort, don't hesitate to consult a healthcare provider or a sexual health specialist. These tips promote a healthy and safe approach to sexual well-being. It's important to remember that sexual health is a personal matter, and what's best for one person may not be the same for another. Always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice and guidance. A generosity, not a command. Please subscribe to the channel and press the like button.